Alright, so I actually had the mods done at RB Designs. Ron Black, he actually fitted the CR front end with the Maico stem. So yeah, he was worried about if we hung this out, the lineup, and then it being too thin if we went out this far. Plus, I guess since this was actually smaller already, then it was easier just to bore this out bigger. So yeah, did it in about 2 hours, I guess. So we can set it up and see how it looks. This one back in top there. Take this and put this through here. See how it lines up. So that's what it looks like with the forks. Looks like it clears pretty well here. It did need to have put an extra bearing underneath there right now to space it, because these threads don't go down that far. So I do have a front wheel coming, although I have the CR500 front end, and I might just be able to put the tire and everything on from this. You know, we have the new hose for it and everything. I mean, this may just work, even that caliper from the CR. But I just ordered new bearings, so I don't want to put together until I put the new bearings on, and until I get the new fork seals for this. So, but you can see what it's going to look like. Yeah, the other thing I might have to do is just measure this from here to there and see if I should actually put that bearing on top so that the rake is different. So I have to work with that, but looks like this will work out. This should have front disc brakes. Yeah, for the back, I've actually ordered off of eBay. I got a CR500 rear tire, and I'll see how much it'll line up. The thing here is that this swing arm is metal, and the new CR500 swing arm would be aluminum. It's one problem. Another problem is that the CR has the chain on this side, whereas this is where the brake would go. And you can see on this bike here that I'd actually be better off buying a newer Maico swing arm and trying to get that to work. But the thing is that the Maico swing arms in the front aren't going to bolt up, newer ones, because they changed the motor design around 85, 86 to a different bolt pattern. So that's the problem, is that those swing arms from 86 and up are not going to fit this frame. So if it did, I would have got it a long time ago, but they don't. So I have to figure something out. So I'm not sure if I have enough room back here to throw a CR500 rear tire on and have something welded on here or what, but to figure that out.